you have dark spots, acne, sun damage, chemical damage, or your skin is not skinny, you have a dull skin, you have a sleeping skin, you are looking for something to glow your skin naturally, then stay tuned with me because this treatment is a mind-blowing. Guys, I tried it for 3 days and it's a mind-blowing. The beautiful part of this treatment also is all the skin type can use it. If you have normal skin type, you can use. If you have dry skin type, oil skin type, dry hydration skin type, you have a sensitive skin type, you have premature skin type, what type of skin type that you have, you can use this treatment. So let's start and do it together because I don't want to take you guys time, and as you know me, I like practicals more than theory. So let's move to the video. My queens, I'm already washed my potato here. Well, if you are going to make this treatment, you can make 1 potato or 2 potato. It depends on the quantity that you want. If you know that if you want to use it for the whole body, then I will advise you to make a little bit to make the quantity to be plenty, yeah. But if you know that you are not going to use all your body, only your face, you can use maybe 1 potato to make this treatment. So after cut my potato, as you guys can notice, I didn't peel it, I just cut it and see if there is a bad part. I remove that side and I put it inside my pot. I replace it into the fire. Right now I'm going to check to see whether my potato is ready. Potato is very easy to cook, so I'm pretty sure that this potato is ready right now. So what we have to do, I have to arc off the fire and we'll go to the next step. So my queens, right now I'm just straining my potato, the water. So please come back and watch that video because this potato water also, I'm going to use it as a hair spray. Okay, so you can come back to watch that video also later. So now my people, after I strain my potato water, so the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to put it inside my blender. After putting it inside the blender, it's not going to end it because this treatment I'm going to add banana on it. As you guys can see, I'm peeling my banana. Okay, so banana is also having, I'll tell you guys, please stay tuned because I'll definitely going to tell you guys why this treatment is working. So after blend it, the next thing you need to do, you have to strain it. So I'm putting inside to strain my thing. So after straining it, guys, you know what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this. I'm not going to use everything because I'm going to use some for my hair mask. So please come back to watch that video also, how you can do to use the same thing to get to glow your skin at the same time and use it to grow your hair length or to maintain your hair length, to get the moisture into your hair. So why this channel, we are doing things that with natural things to glow our skin and grow our hair. So my people, now our next thing, that the ingredient that I'm going to add into my banana and potato paste is my turmeric. Turmeric is having long way to go, so I'm going to use half teaspoon and put inside. But please, you can use half teaspoon or quarter teaspoon, or because if I'm going to, it depends on the quantity that you are going to make, that will make you also think, oh, this amount of turmeric, it can be okay for me because turmeric is having long way to go. Less of turmeric, it's good, it can be long way to take you up. Okay, so now the next thing is we are going to, I'm mixing my treatment. So my people, now after I finish mixing it, our next ingredient that I'm going to add is honey, because we cannot go with this treatment without adding honey inside, right? We need something that to lock the moisture into our face, to keep the moisture on our face. So right now I added my honey inside and I continue to mix it. While I'm mixing it, let's check and see the benefits of potato. Potato is contain vitamin C and antioxidant, and this thing is help to bright dull looking skin and help skin to appear very fresh while you are using it, and also tighten your your face to make your face tight very well. So now my people, after mix everything, before you apply this treatment, always make sure to wash your face thoroughly. Okay, if your face, you have a makeup, you have oil, try to make sure that you wash your face thoroughly before you use this treatment. Okay, so now I wash my face. Now I'm applying it. You guys will see the magic that I'm talking about, and stay tuned. And also, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, can you do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Let's go back to the business. So right now, let's check and see banana. Banana is also rich in vitamins and minerals, and also it's helping to soft your skin and moisturize your skin and give the skin smooth and appearance. It will be, your skin is going to get very smooth while you are using banana into your face, whether you are using to your face or your body. So now wait and get dry and wash it. Okay, yes my people, after this thing dry, I'll wash it and come back soon. Okay my people, now after we wash it, as you guys can see how my face is looking, so now I bring my vitamin E oil and my rose oil plus my vitamin C oil. That one I'm going to use to moisturize my face. This is the rose oil. So don't worry if you are going to say, oh, you don't have rose oil, you don't have vitamin E oil or vitamin C oil. My sister, my queen, don't worry at all. The cream, that the oil that you have is the same thing. This one is my moisturizing oils. So you also can get the moisturizing oil by your side, the one that you usually use that one, or moisturizing cream to moisturize your face. The most important part is after washing your face, after washing your face, you have to moisturize your face. So get an oil to moisturize your face. But if you know that you are using some creams, some oil, some butters, and it has damaged your face while you are using this treatment, please stop using it. Vitamin C oil, you can make it by yourself, and if you say you don't have time to do it or you cannot make it, you can also get in touch with me. Definitely I have those oil for selling. Okay, I can get you vitamin C oil and more glowing skin butters. So why I started massaging, on my body, why you have to try your best to massage your face, massage all your neck, when you are getting old, you know what I'm talking about, especially those as my age mates, like about 40 above age, try to massaging your neck, your face, massage it very well. And the remaining one, you see this one, I'm going to keep it inside the fridge. It's not going to end it because tomorrow I'm going to apply it, and then I'm going to use it for 3 days. So my people, this is the third day I'm talking about. As you guys can see, how the thing was plenty. Yesterday I used it with all my body, so the remaining one I'm going to use for my face. And when I'm about to, it just left like 10 to 5 minutes for me to take my shower. Then I'll use the rest to rub all my body before go inside and take my shower. So why I'm putting it inside, let's check and see honey benefit. Honey also is having natural humectants. It's also attracting moisture. It's helping skin feel soft and hydrate. It's also giving healthy looking glow. Honey is very, very powerful. So these are the things that I use to change my face, to change the story of my dark spot. Normally I'm someone who have dark spots because I like peanuts, granite. I love eating it, and it's giving me pimples a lot. So any my skin, I don't know how I have a sensitive skin. Anything at all can cause me to get pimple. And the pimples, when your pimple, whether you press it or you don't press it, when it's dry, you know what I'm going to talk, you know what I'm talking about. It's going to give you a dark spot on your face, right? So these things, what you need to do, you can be using this to be brightening it, to be making it fading, because this is the way that I'm also used. I used to buy a lot of products thinking that one is going to help me, not knowing that I'm just spending money for product upon product, and I was not seeing any change. But immediately when I started using natural things, I have to thank God, like, because I don't know how to thank God even enough, because everything has, my face has changed, everything has changed, and I'm so proud and I'm so happy about the product, that the things that I'm using for myself. So please, you also can do, you can change your skin tone, you can change your skin with natural, the things that you have from your kitchen, you can use it to change your glowing, change your skin tone. As I'm talking, potato, just potato, turmeric and honey. This thing, most of us, we have it in our kitchen. So now you can see my face is dry. This is the third day, so my face is dry. I'm going to wash it, and I will be back soon for us to see the magic. Okay, guys? My queens, before I wash my face, I have a carrot butter, body butter, glowing butter, and glowing skin oils for selling. Okay, please, if you want to get some for yourself and your family, this oil, this butter is safe, especially the body butter is safe for all, the whole family, children and adults. You all of us can use it. I'm using it, my husband, my all our family. This is the butter that we are using. Carrot butter, it will glow your skin, it will make your skin look very smooth. Please, you can check, do research about carrot butter, do research about it, because for me to say, maybe you may say, maybe because I'm selling, that is why I'm talking about. Do research and come and patronize, come and practice, make an order, do your research about the carrot. You are going to enjoy it for using it. So my people, now we are back again to our major issue. After you wash your face, or you wash your body, or you take shower and clean yourself, make sure you clean yourself very thoroughly. Make sure that your face, there is no turmeric inside. And how will you know? Get some cotton to clean your face. After, you can use your shower gel or your shower soap, wash your face, or your turmeric toner, wash your face. As you can see, the cotton is so white, but if there is some turmeric remaining on my face, you may feel like there is a turmeric inside. You will see the difference even inside the cotton. That time you can go back and wash it. That is why I love to use cotton. When I finish washing my face like this, I'll use cotton again to make sure that I clean my face very well. But after cleaning it, you can see my hand is so white. The only thing I'm going to do, or you can use your hand to make a little bit water to damp your face again, because you don't need your face to get much more dry. My people, right now the oil that I'm showing to you people is my carrot and orange peel oil. As you guys can see, the beginning of the video, I was using only vitamin C and vitamin E and my rose oil. Vitamin C, I was the one who make it, and this one is the carrot and orange peel. I make that one also yesterday, so that video also is coming. Please make sure to do what? Make sure to go and watch that video also. Okay, try and go and watch that video. I have carrot and orange peel oil, and it's good for skin. Okay, it's very, very good for skin. It will make your skin get more soft and brighten and fill all your dark spots. Your problem is going to help you a lot. So try and go and watch that video. So while you are putting the oil, always make sure to be massaging your face. My people, when I'm talking, my video posting time is up. I make alarm for it to be reminding me whatever that I'm doing, so that I'll know that it's time for me to go and post my video. I can make it schedule to schedule it so that it can post by itself, but I want to be online while my video is playing, so that in case someone asks a question or make comment, I can reply the person nicely. Is it not good? Yes, my people. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point, do not forget to give me thumbs up. Your support, it means a lot for me. Your liking, it will make YouTube for them to post, to show it to more people. And also let me know, will you love to try this face mask, or have you ever tried banana and potato face mask before? banana, potato, and turmeric face mask. Have you tried it before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you say no, will you love to try it? I would love to see what you guys think about this. And look at my face. What is making me more happy is like when I finish this treatment, my body, my face is very soft. That is making me so happy. It's making me so happy because like when you touch yourself, you will feel it. You just feel like you are just like a baby. You see how baby skin it is. That is how my body, oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm super super happy. Please subscribe, like for more video. Let me know what type of video do you want me to show it to you people. So now you can see, as I said, my carrot butter. This is the butter that we are using with the family. This is the butter that we are using. Now I'm going to use it for my lip balm. So let me know. See the glow. See, my people. Just imagine. See now. See. Do you like it? Bye.